Hey everybody, it's Holly from Baby Gizmo. Today we're talking about boobs. No, we're not talking about my boobs. We're talking about Juvi's boobs. That's right, Juvi named their new line of bottles the Boob. They love that double O. It kind of went with the feeding aspect. So we are going to talk, I want to just introduce you to the new gift set and the new starter set, just because I think they're really great for a gift for a new mom. So let's talk about the bottles really quick. These are PPSU bottles, which means it's a transparent thermoplastic resin, which is pretty much a plastic such as they use in medical devices that need repeated sterilization. They don't absorb odor, they don't absorb color, they're BPA, phthalate, and lead free. They are impact resistant, they're very durable. So really that's what the PPSU means with these. They have the clean vent system. It also, the gift set comes with all kinds of stuff, everything a new mom or dad should need. So we're talking about the gift set first. The gift set comes with 6 bottles. We got 3 9-ounce bottles, and then 3 of the 5-ounce bottles. It also comes with 2 insulators for the bottle, so the 2 middle ones have insulators that you can move around for the bottles. All of these bottles in here also have nipples with them. Now the other part of the gift set is you get additional nipples. We've got 8 different nipples, and they're all different sizes, ranging from newborn all the way up to X-cut for thicker liquid. So you got like stage 3 here, so it has all the stages so that as the baby needs a faster flow, you would change the nipples. It has 3 sealing cups, so in case you're traveling, you want to throw it in your diaper bag, you want to seal the bottle. Got 3 of those. You got 2 breast pump adapters, and my favorite thing, besides the bottles, of course, is it comes with a bottle brush and a nipple brush. So this is everything that the new parent would need bottle-wise. Like I said, not only do you get the 8 nipples here, each one of these has a nipple, so plenty of nipples and bottles pretty much to go around. So that's the gift set. The gift set retails for $129.99. So if you're looking for a gift, that's going to cover all of the bottles for the new mom, that's a good one. Now this is the starter set. It's a little bit smaller, so they can get used to the boob. And I want to tell you too that the nipple that they designed is to make it easier to transition from breastfeeding to bottle. So they've definitely done a lot of work with these bottles. Now the starter set's $59.99, so it's a little bit cheaper. It still comes with the bottle brush and the nipple brush. I love that they did that. Comes with 2 bottles, a 9-ounce and a 5-ounce. Comes with a sealing cap, 2 clean vent pieces there. You also have 6 additional nipples in different sizes, like I said, from newborn up to the X-cut. That's the starter set for $59.99. I just think they did a really good job, and I thought it was time to share it with you in case you have a new mom that's looking for bottles and a whole set. I mean, you can buy these bottles separately, of course. I just think that I think this set's really great because it just comes with everything that they are going to need in this handy gift set. So there you go. I just want to share that with you today. That was the Juvi Boob bottles and the gift set and the starter set. Please subscribe to our Facebook page. Well, actually like us on Facebook. Like us on Facebook first, then subscribe to our YouTube channel, and I will talk to you next time. I'm Holly from Baby Gizmo. Bye.